Hi friends, this video shows how to reset internet settings and fix all internet related issues. First go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, then go down, then select general management, then select reset, then select reset network settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data or internet and Bluetooth. If you are facing issue with mobile data or internet, you can just reset internet settings or mobile data settings. Tap on this reset settings button, then tap on this reset button. Done, network settings reset. So this way we can reset network settings or internet settings and fix all network or internet related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment.